Hi everyone, I am Nikita. I am from the batch of 2007-11 from Nitte Information Science. So, why am I here? I'm here to put some gyan regarding how passion is so important in one's life. So, I'm not going to tell you, whatever I'm going to tell you, you might already be knowing, but still, I'll just rob some time of yours. So, now I'm not going to go into the theoretical aspects, but let me put a few practical points what I feel that I should tell you guys. So now what is passion? Passion is nothing but the one which controls your happiness, controls your emotions, and gives you new experiences, gives you that satisfaction in life. Okay. Now like I can tell you there are two sets of people, okay, who have passion in life and who do not have it out, because some of them feel that they do not have any talent or any passion, but it's not like that. So suppose consider you do not have any passion in life, so what will happen after a certain point of time, in the beginning when you start your job or your career, after you finish your studies, you might feel that everything is going so nice, so smooth, everything is nice. But after a certain point of time, what happens is it becomes so monotonous, and it gets like what I'm doing the same thing in daily life, so it gets becomes a routine and it's boring. It gets boring. So that is when you're not having any passion in life. But what I urge all of you is to build some passion. Even if you're not interested in anything else, at least do some kind of exercise to stay fit, and who knows, that only will give you some kind of happiness. So not necessary you should already have a talent in you. So you can build it. And the second set of people who already have a passion in them, what I tell you guys is do not ever let it die. You have to continue your passion at any point of time, and it gives you it supports you in your life at every point till the end. So the benefits, see, first of all, practical benefits it has. It keeps you healthy. How? Because when you're happy, when you are doing something what you love, your brain cells are also informed, and your circulatory system, your uh, hormones, or the good ones which keeps you healthy, so those are created. Okay, I'm not going to tell you all those too much. I'm not going to go too much scientific on that. But yes, it will help you in the long run. So it is for sure. Now, there is another thing what I want to talk about. That is, some people want to convert their passion into career. That's a good thing. That's a really good thing. But you might be skeptical about it. You may be thinking, how do I earn out of it if your passion is something which is not something which does not make you financially independent. Okay, so now let me talk about turning your passion into your career, and following your passion till the end, even if it does not become your career. So let me take two examples. One is someone's passion is coding. Okay, that's one. And the second one, we can consider gardening, or somebody likes plants, passionate about plants. So these are two things what I just want to give an example and explain. Now, coding is, if coding is your passion, which it is of for few people, then it will make you financially independent, maybe in within a year or two. So it may be easy. But if you're interested, if you're comparing, let's compare this with gardening kind of passion. So this kind of passion, of course you can take botany, as you can be a botanist if you're interested in plants, and you can make it as a career, but then you might be skeptical that would you be able to financially be independent if you choose that as an option. Of course, that those things are all go on in the back of your mind, and would you get enough support. But if you have that in you, I urge everyone, whoever has any kind of passion, uh, if you love what you're doing and if you want to convert it into a career, then please do so. There are people who can support you. And even if you're not able to turn it into a passion, then turn it into your career, then it's fine. It's all fine, because you might be doing your normal job, day time or night time, whatever it is. So you might be doing your normal job because you want to be financially independent, but you will take an hour or half an hour or 1 hour towards doing something related to your passion. So what happens is, even if you don't love your job, you might be liking it, but you might not love it the same way as your passion. Even if you don't love your job, then this passion is what keeps you going, because you feel that at some point of time I will be able to excel in this, or you can do it as your part time, or you can do it just like a hobby. So that is the one which will keep you going. You know, you'll be excited towards it. For example, if someone is good at drawing and painting, then he or she might have something in mind that, okay, let me work on this piece of art. So every day it keeps you going. It'll motivate you. So having passion in life makes you goal oriented. It keeps you motivated. It keeps you happy even in your lows. So never ever let the passion die out of your life. So if you take me, my passion is of course drawing and painting. I just scribble some small art. I'm not planning to do my own gallery or something like that. So some small art, it'll give you your own me time and give you that happiness, like peace of mind. So what I feel is, having passion in life acts like meditation. So people who do meditation, and if you follow your passion, it's equal to meditating, is what I feel. It has the same effect on your body and brain. And I also love to know about different kinds of food and traveling. So I have started my own Instagram page, that is Nikki's underscore food and travel. So that keeps me happy, because at the end of the day, I just browse through different types of foods. I'm not telling you need to get addicted to social media, no, not that. But you can take any source or any form to put out your love towards your work or towards what you do. So what I chose is Instagram page, what I'm doing right now. So it's all about the small foods, different types of foods what I try, and small travels what I do. So it gives me happiness, and that's what keeps me going. Maybe one day I'll become a full-time vlogger. Hope so. Okay, so passion always is with you, like your shadow, wherever you go, until till the end. A passion is the one which will always be with you, so never ever let it die. And all the best to all of you guys. I hope everyone a bright future and loads of happiness in life. Bye.